welcome back to AUC family. So tonight the AUC kids are really tired and they didn't make it through the show we're watching, and we've even got a little snorer over here. And that's it for us tonight. Give us a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Good night.